Hello everybody, OG here. Today we are making avocado salmon fried rice. All the ingredients are my favorites. Heat a pan with oil, then add 75 grams of chopped onion. Seasoned with salt and black pepper. "200 grams of salmon seasoned with lemon juice. Let the salmon cook for a few minutes. Use spatula to break salmon once the outside color is getting light. A 100 grams of chopped carrots. Put some salt right on top to soften it quickly. Seasoning with some black pepper. I am using quinoa and the brown rice package from Costco. One pack is about 240 grams. You can also use leftover rice. Add some butter after the rice. 75 grams of chopped onion. Adding onions separately creates different texture. Avocado at last, then cook it for a few seconds, then the rice is ready. This is a super simple and healthy workday lunch. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it. See you next time.